Hey everyone, check out the BYJ Soft Cooler Bag, a versatile and insulated cooler perfect for any outing. Made with high-quality PEVA material and thick foam, it keeps your food and drinks hot or cold for up to 12 hours. The leak-proof design features a seamless liner that prevents spills, odors, and stains, making cleanup simple. This cooler includes a padded handle and a detachable all-terrain cart with wide wheels for easy transport everywhere. With a large capacity that fits up to 50 cans, it's great for picnics, camping, beach trips, or grocery runs. Its collapsible, soft-sided design allows for convenient storage and portability. Stay refreshed on the go with this durable and easy-to-carry cooler bag. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.